Did you know that to keep your peppers healthy, you should remove all of the leaves below the first flower that forms? Actually, in my case, I'm really late, so before the first fruit. So let's take a look at this pepper up here. This one here is a cayenne pepper. Now you can see it's already started to flower right here, some flowers down there. So the first step is we need to trim it. So I'm going to spray alcohol. We need to make sure it's nice and clean as we trim the leaves. I almost call them feathers. So we're going to trim all the leaves below right here. And some of the reasons, number one is to have aeration. Number two is to make sure that you don't get spores and mold growing. What happens is the water comes down, it splashes on the soil, hits the leaves, and it attracts all different kinds of things. It can attract bugs, it can attract mold, mildew. So you want to be careful for all of that. So let's take this all off here. How are we doing? A couple more. You can leave some on there. Also, it's going to focus the strength up here on the fruit and the future fruit rather than the lower ones when nothing's happening. There you go. And like I said, you're going to have more aeration. Now, I have a different problem with this one right here. So let's take a look at this. This is also a cayenne. I grow a lot of cayennes. They're really good for your heart. Let me put it sideways so you can see. See what's happening over here? In fact, we're going to go this way. This one happens to be touching the ground. These plants didn't get very big before they started to grow. So I'm going to cut, again, all the leaves that are below. See how it's opening it up so you can see the fruit a lot better as well. Oops, I almost trimmed off the one that has the cayenne, which probably wouldn't be a bad idea at this point. Let's see, what do I get here? There we go. And no, there's no flower here either. But I want to grow this cayenne to maturity, but I don't want it to rot by hitting on the ground. So in that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to level out the soil and pat it down. Yeah, really soft spots over here. Filling in the soft spot. So now these are being watered from the bottom up, which is a lot healthier for the roots because the roots are reaching down for it to getting stronger. So that means, especially when you're using grow bags that are being watered in a bottom feeding system, you want to make sure that you don't have anything extra to collect water. So what I'm going to do is I made a piece of plastic here. I don't know if you can see it very good. Piece of plastic, and I put a little hole right there in the middle, and I'm going to put it underneath the pepper, and it's going to wrap around the plant so it doesn't fly away. And you see how I did that? So now you have this little piece of plastic here, and that's going to actually stop it from rotting. Okay, and let's see, we have one more to do over here. This one's a lot easier. You can see it a lot more. The peppers are way up there. The bottom flower is pretty much where those peppers are up there. So let's cut this out, cut these out. Now they're going to have a lot of shade because I have these in my kiddie pool system, which also has, besides all these, it has a corn on a cob in the middle. It has cucumbers and also, let's see, cucumbers and peas. So there's a lot of tall plants that are going to keep these shaded. There we go. So those are all beautiful. Now, one last one to show you. Let me move these out of the way. And this one here is a bell pepper. And it's not too bad. I've already trimmed it a little bit. You can see, but I'm going to take these two off here. Again, for ventilation, because there's so many plants around it. I want the air to get in and underneath. Take this one off. Yeah, I'm going to leave these out. You want to make sure you have enough leaves at the top for photosynthesis as well. And I have some other little plants kind of growing here on the bottom. So there we go. Bottom line, don't be afraid to give your plants a little trim. they'll thank you for it later on by giving you more fruit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now. It's okay. It's okay.